Hey friends, if you wish to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now see, here's the thing. First of all, search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for display adapters, right click on your dedicated GPU and update it. And press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command dxdiag and hit enter, and then click on yes to open the DirectX diagnostic tool, and then click on next page. It is starting to collect information. Next until it says no problems found. And see, here's the thing. If you do not have a dedicated GPU compatible of running the game that you're trying to run, then you will either have to buy it and install it if it's a desktop computer, and if it's a laptop, then there's nothing that you can do other than upgrading the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.